In the fast-paced digital world, creating high-quality, optimized content is increasingly daunting for marketers today. Meet Frase.io, an AI-powered platform that revolutionizes how you conduct content research and writing with ease. Imagine saving hours on keyword analysis and competitor research. Frase.io makes this a reality for content creators. Frase.io focuses on research-first content creation, providing actionable insights to outrank competitors in search results. The SERP research feature delivers crucial data on top-performing articles, guiding your content strategy like never before. Forget spending countless hours drafting content briefs while stressing over details. Frase generates them in mere seconds. With AI-generated briefs, you'll know what headings to include, questions to answer, and essential facts to cover. As you write, Frase analyzes your content in real time, revealing gaps and suggesting improvements for unbeatable quality. The platform streamlines collaboration, allowing teams to share insights, track versions, and manage projects effortlessly. Frase stands out against competitors like SEMrush and MarketMuse by specializing in research-driven content creation. For solo creators and agencies alike, Frase standardizes processes and enhances content quality to elevate your strategy. Ready to elevate your content strategy? Embrace Frase.io, a game-changing AI assistant that empowers your creativity now.